A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with some tremendous spells that will change your life totally in some hours, and you will get its results in couple of hours. And these spells are very powerful. While doing this spell, you should have not someone with you. You have to be alone, and no one should interrupt you. And there are certain conditions for this spell that I'm going to tell you. First of all, you have to take a blue pen, a plain paper. That's it, nothing required after this for this spell. And this spell is for true lover that like their lover most, not for anyone. Like if someone use this spell for specially for true lover, the person that you like or love, this spell is only for them. Please don't use by fake lovers, because after using this spell, that person would be in your full of control and love. He or she will not left you after this spell, because this spell is very powerful and the world's most powerful spell for love only. It can't be used for any another work, like if you want to destroy your enemy or money spell. It's not for that. It is only for the like for love spell. So you have to write some words that I'm going to tell you, but before that you have to take up concentration on one thing, that you have to do this spell at 1 p.m. sharp 1 p.m. and you have to do this spell on the 1st, 11th, 21st or 31st of any month. Like the date of this spell is 1st, 11th, 21st and 31st. These are the dates that you would do this spell, and this spell you have to do sharp 1 p.m. If you do it on 3 p.m. or if you do it on 1 p.m. on 2nd of date, then it will not work. You have to do this spell at 1 p.m. and 1, 11th, 21st and 31st of any month. And you have to write these words. These words are here should be your lover name, the words are Pilam, Kirat. Here should be your lover name. In the blank box you have to fill your lover name, and after that you have to write the psalm, and you have to speak this word. You have to speak this word for 51 times. The conditions for this spell, that you have to do this spell sharp at 1 p.m. and the date of that is 1st, 11th, 21st, 31st, and you have to say these words for 51 time. You have to do sharp at 1 p.m. this spell, and this spell will work for you. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.